To create a report in Salesforce, go to the Reports tab. If you don't see it, open the app launcher and search for Reports. Click New Report. Start by choosing a report type. This determines which objects and fields are available. For example, select Accounts, then click Start Report. You'll now see the report builder. First, open the Filters tab to adjust standard filters or add custom ones. If Preview isn't updating automatically, click Refresh. Next, go to the Outline tab. Here you can add, remove, or reorder fields by dragging and dropping them. Click Save and Run. Give your report a name, choose a folder, and save it. This creates a tabular report, ideal for simple lists or exports. To create a summary report, group rows by dragging a field, like Account Name, into the Group Rows area. You can also add fields such as Opportunity Value to see totals. Save and run again. To create a matrix report, add a second grouping by dragging another field, like Account Type, into Group Columns. This lets you analyze data by rows and columns. And that's how you create tabular, summary, and matrix reports in Salesforce.